We're going to Kinder City, Evia. Yes!
Meron? We are here
Diretso ko, no? Ulong ba yun?
Oo.
Dito si
Evia.
Gordon. Ayun, nagdiretso sila na.
Oo. Here, Evia. Nagising si Ian.
I just slept for 1 hour.
1 hour. Evia. What?
We're going to Kinder City. Yeah, yeah.
Hello guys, we are here now in Evia. The kids are so excited. Wait! Come here. Kanina, daddy yan ah. Say hi! Wala talagang gusto sumama. Tyler! Ali! Say hi! Where are you, Tyler? Where are you right now? Where? We're gonna play? Please. Tyler. There. I saw the Kinder City upstairs. There, I saw it.
Kami ko yan daw, kami. Don't touch, don't touch. I'll go on, I go.
Go na. Careful.
It's my first time here.
What?
It's my first time.
No, second time.
Oh yeah, I remember.
It's your second
Am I
time.
with Lina Angie this
Yes.
time?
Oh, what's this?
Kinder City!
Mamaya may CR dyan. Hindi, meron dito mahal. Sa loob ng Kinder City.
Kaya ko ihiyak. Dana. Oh, let's go na. Doon kay mami. Let's go kay mami na.
No more hat.
What?
No more hat.
Yeah, not allowed the hat. Yes. How about the toys? Look at the toys.
Let's just look at them.
What is that, Ali?
Barbie.
There's a tree! There's a tree! There! Whoa! Whoa! Look at this!
What is that, Allison?
Asan yung mga bata? Wala si Jen pa. Parang may kausap.
Pupunta daw.
Ha? Minessage ko. Hey, where's ate? Ay, nagbibihis.
Sponsor na base. Yung ano yung anak mo?
Bigla nga umalis. Ako nagbabayad ng ano.
Asan niya nag...
Cafe also baby. Sana yung mga anak ko. Wait. Daddy, paano nga muna nitong ano ni Elise? Daddy, ganyan lang. Daddy, tawagin mo ako pag nandiyan na si Jen. Pag nandiyan na. Alison! Yan ang gusto nila kasi ano, mahaba. Eh. Elise, dito ha, dito.
Go na, Dennis! Go! Go!
Ay, gusto sa mama.
Hindi kaya niya kaya yan.
Sa mama.
Pwede ba?
Pwede lang.
Hindi ka magabang dito sa baba.
Elise! Mamaya pababay mo muna sila para ano. So hi!
I'm gonna go there.
Mamaya din muna, sama mo na si Ali. Ano? Wait! Alice! Wait for Ali and Tyler. Wait! Don't touch Ali, ah! Ali! Like this! Yeah!
I'm going to the biggest slide ever.
Alice!
Can I go there? Hey!
Wait for Ali. Wait for Ali, ha. Ma-hurt si Ali, ha. Careful. Ali! Wow, very good. Hi, Ali. Ang ganda dyan ang Go! Go, Tyler! Elise! Hi. Sorry. Tyler! Oh, very good si Ali. Elise, where are you? Elise! You go, go. Go here. Exercise. Are you going to that slide? Wait, wait, wait. Wait. Wait for me. Yes. Matama ka ha. Careful. How was it? Ali! Careful ah. Where are you? You're so slow. Ha! Uy! Ayaw mo.
Next one. That's what
Hey, careful. Go! Go! Bakit daddy? No, 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 mamaya, no, mamaya. It's so high at.
Ano ba ako ng bata? Natatakot ako dito. Ayaw ng mga bata eh. Ay, huwag ka dyan, makasakit.
Wait, wait, wait. Don't go there later, later. Uy! Woo! Look at your face! You're scared. Alis na, alis na, alis. Yan na si Daddy.
My siblings.
Malalagay ko lang yung ano, medyas kay Jen. Daddy. Wala ka ng camera. Hoy! Oh, careful. Elise, Elise, always put hair. Alis dyan, alis dyan. Ate, may mag-slide. Careful! Sabayan naman! Uy, kaya ni Ali yan? Is it fun? Is it fun? Ah, Alison and Daddy. Alis dyan! Tyler! Tyler! Alis. Yeah!
Si Mami hindi kaya ni Mami.
Taga-video na lang ako.
Tyler, let's go.
Saan?
To the red again.
Let's go, let's go. Bawal dyan natin.
Dito na lang ate. Dito na lang.
Ay, isa pa daw ulit.
Saan?
One more? Ay, ayaw.
You don't like? You don't like?
I want.
Oh.
Tinismate mo daw si
Alam,
Ali.
ano yan eh. Ano to? Parang i-release yan eh. Malakas loob si Tyler, parang ako.
Lubos ko, no? Ako natakot, ginawa ko muna eh.
Ate, laging ano, ganon oh. Put your arms in your ano. Wait lang. Mamaya, wait. May ano. Wait lang.
Sila muna lang. Dak, sila muna. Sila muna. Kayo muna lang.
Elise.
Mia, gaganon ikaw pa.
It was so fun. I don't need to do this. It's so fun.
Hey, it's okay, come here. Tika, dito. Hey, come here. Daddy.
I'm going to the big one. I'm going to the
Hoy,
blue one.
nakatakot doon.
Nakabindig yung bakas mo.
Ayaw nga nakatakot. Wag na, Elise.
Elise, kaya niya. Tinulakan ni Tyler.
Kaya pala, who push me?
Sigaw siya rin, sigaw din siya.
Dahil who push me? Matakot mahal. Oh.
It's so fun. Super fun.
Ay,
Ako yung kinakabahan sa inyo eh. Nandamay ako eh.
Bigla siyang bata lang.
yay! Very good, Ali. Ay, sorry. Yung white. Kaya, yung white. Okay, order muna kami ng food. Spinning time for 15 minutes. Kinder Cafe.
Eat right down.
Okay, ito yung mga coffee nila. Ma'am, bibig ko lang tawag dito. Card ko na. Debit.
Debit po.
Current po.
Ma'am, double check po ulit ah. Ice mocha, dalawang Spanish latte, shaken Earl Grey, spinach roll na sana. 600.
Thank you.
Sit down na.
Pwede.
Yes. You know spinach? Papay, you know papay? Let's watch later. You know papay? Papay the Sailor Man?
Popeye.
Papay. Is it
Ayun,
yummy?
you will-
What's that, ate? What's that?
Basta.
Hot? Is it hot?
And then like the grass.
The grass thing. Hey. You need that because you will play pa later, di ba?
Let's press.
No, it's okay. You try first.
Wipe your ano.
Mami. You try first.
Mamaya gutom ka, tingnan mo. Kayo nga lang may pagkain eh.
Ay, no more na. No more candy city na. Ay, no more. Sige. Ay, no more. Sige, no more candy. Let's go home na. Let's go home.
You said vegetables
first,
are yummy.
Ay. Ay, no more.
Hindi
No more
mahilig
na.
sa ano.
Look, Ate Liz, oh.
I'm full na.
Huwag ka na. Hindi ka nakasama. Iwan ka na. Balik ka na. Ba't ka na kay Wookie?
Tyler.
Iwan na kay Wookie.
No.
Alison nga, oh, nakakain ng ano, green, oh. Look.
Diba? Vegetables, Daddy.
Yeah.
Cheese. Lala.
Okay, dumating na yung coffee namin. Spanish latte.
My pen.
Gusto na pala.
Okay.
We're gonna practice ninja. Yes.
Sige nga, can you?
Ayan.
Oh, ikaw na, Alisa. You're gonna fall. Come on, you go there.
Diamond things with this on black.
Palo ate, yung palo ate. Go, go.
Oh, go back.
Ano, go na, iwan ko yung.
Okay, wait.
Alison yung palo. Go.
Let's go! To the airplane!
can do it, Ali. You can do it.
Galing ni Ali dati. Alison. Wow.
Oh, very good si Alison.
Ay, takot yung isa. Mana takot si Tyler. Galing ni Ali, oh. Wow. Tapang talaga nito.
Ano katalisan, Lolo? Ang katalisan can do it, oh. Talo si Kuya Tyler.
Gusto ko yung kaya lang wala ka.
Ali. Where's Daddy? Sige. Ay, no. You go.
Coffee.
Can you? Mahulog ah. Matumba yan. Careful.
Thank you. I want the car.
Ito yung magamit na nakita.
Ha?
Para papunti pa.
Okay,
Yung mga laruan
let's
din.
go.
Hindi kagaya na sa
Kids. Sa kids zone. Ang maganda nga lang dito, walang masyadong bata.
Let's park.
Hindi ganun kadumi. Paano kids zone na ngayon? Napakadumi.
Tam. Uy, moving!
Moving? Where are you going?
We're going to the trampoline.
Huwag na yaman na siya. Kumaha ka ng anong trampoline?
Oh wait, there's a tree.
Go!
Wait, Alison, go in your car now.
Let's go na. Well, call your sister.
It's over. It's not gonna.
It's done na. Oo. Nakapatong. Nakapatong.
Let's go.
Sa'yo naman pala na yung book.
Ha? Lahat. Hindi, para pulutin naman si RB.
Huwag di ba si Arby?
Daddy, mommy.
Hindi na ako makontak na raw na. Robot na ako.
Turo na yun, Alison na yun. Ay!
Ay. Kanino bang anak yan?
Nagalit.
Ay, natin may tsura. Wala bang anak to? Ma, dito yata ang kainan sa kabilang side. Ay.
Kaya parang naman pa.
Sino?
Red din mo na.